How to check real battery health on iPhone. If you want to check your real battery health on your iPhone device, the first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now, you want to scroll down and find the option of battery. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, locate the option of battery health and tap on that. Here, you will have different options such as battery health and maximum capacity. As you can see on the battery health, it says normal. But if you want to know the real battery health on your iPhone device, then find the option of maximum capacity. And here, you will find the real battery health. As you can see, mine says 100%, but yours can depend on your battery. Maximum capacity is a measure of battery capacity compared to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in less usage hours between charges, and in this way you can find the real battery health on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.